then one day I'm supposed to sign a piece of paper and end my family? A person doesn't do that. Not without a little hesitation.
Hesitation. Hesitation.
Not without a little hesitation.
I'm trying to get out of here at a decent hour tonight.
Oh, you got a date?
Yes, yes I do. A handsome man is whisking me away to a love nest for the weekend.
Whisk. Whisk.
A handsome man is whisking me away to a love nest for the weekend. You ever look at the changes in her EKG? She had something.
Yeah, but her serial enzymes and dopamine stress cycle.
Enzyme. Enzyme.
Yeah, but her serial enzymes and dopamine stress cycle.
If elevators should stop, do not become alarmed. Press the button marked alarm to summon assistance.
Summon. Summon.
Press the button marked alarm to summon assistance.
We're running on backup generators. One of them's down. Richard, breathe.
The only direct means of transporting patients from
Transport. Transport.
the only direct means of transporting patients from
As to how to treat pain.
Porn as pain management?
Look, it's possible that pornography, like art and music, can...
Pornography. Pornography.
Look, it's possible that pornography, like art and music, can...
Tell me whose butt to kick.
That would be your butt, Chief.
Butt. Butt.
That would be your butt, Chief. That would be your butt, Chief. You didn't authorize the replacement generator.
Generator. Generator.
You didn't authorize the replacement generator.
Hey, this isn't gonna be too sterile, but we can still try.
Sterile. Sterile.
This isn't gonna be too sterile, but we can still try.
I suppose we could try droperidol and diphenhydramine.
That put me into a coma last year.
Coma. Coma.
That put me into a coma last year.
It's too far into repair.
How big is it?
Small, maybe. Smaller than a dime?
Dime. Dime.
Maybe. Smaller than a dime?
O'Malley,
Yes, sir?
you just flew solo.
Solo. Solo.
You just flew solo.
Okay, Anna, we're gonna shut off the PCA pump now, which means you'll be in a lot of pain for the duration of the...
Duration. Duration.
Which means you'll be in a lot of pain for the duration of the...
And I'm assuming 1, 2, and 3?
He's my Henry.
I know, but don't you find it misogynistic and degrading and kind of...
Degrade. Degrade.
I know, but don't you find it misogynistic and degrading and kind of...
Hold a radio over my head outside your window. Unfortunate way that makes me hate you.
Unfortunate. Unfortunate.
Unfortunate way that makes me hate you.